Hi everyone, today I want to review the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot 4th generation that I purchased from Best Buy. And starting out, it was $49.99. And this, there are many things I like about the Alexa, like how you have right here on the actual Alexa device, you can turn up the sound, um, you can increase or decrease the volume, or what I usually just say is, "Hey Alexa, increase the volume or decrease the volume." Um, you can set it on your phone. What I will show you is when you have the Amazon Alexa app on your phone, you can tap here on the app and you can say tap or say, I'm not going to say now because then it'll start playing, but you can add an alarm, which I've done. Um, and you can have your alarm repeat every day or not repeat. You can do it different sounds that you would like. You can do custom. You can create a reminder, add a shopping item and share the list, make an announcement on the Echo device. You can make a call with your Alexa device, create a routine, reading the weather, the news. You can have, of course, like I said, reminder. You can get the latest news for COVID-19, reorder items on Amazon. You can set a timer. There's so many different options that you can even, if you lose your phone, you can say, Alexa, call my phone. And if you have your phone number programmed in, then you can do that. And what I have with my Alexa, I have it connected to the Ring home security system. So I just tell the Alexa to show me the front door, and it'll show me what is going on. It'll show me that video. You can have it set up with smart lighting, um, any type, different smart products that you have. You can add them all to your same app. You can set it on guard mode. It shows you your energy, skills and games, things to try, care hub. There's really a lot of things that you can do with the Alexa device, and really for $50, it's a great little home assistant, and it's nice. You're cleaning the house, working around the house, cooking. You can just tell it to play music, and they're very light. You just plug them in right here in the back. You just leave them plugged in. They don't have to be charged or anything, and they're really great. And I definitely would recommend getting one. Often you can on Amazon. Sometimes they have the open box electronic deals. The um, they have different products, products that are refurbished, and they end up running lower than buying from a store. But even from a store, it's still pretty affordable for a Alexa device. So I hope that this video helps, and if you're in the market for a digital assistant, I would recommend checking out the Alexa. Thanks.